have to wait till King Cake Day. It is the rule. In fact, I think it's the law. All right, here we are. We're looking at what's happening. Clear skies, temperatures have dropped. It is getting cold outside. We look to the west. That's where the rain is, and it's moving our way tomorrow. Here is a look at our WDSU first warning weather. Sure enough, it's cold. 34 already in Bogalusa, 45 at the airport. Now, notice the wind is fairly light, but we still have a bit of a wind chill. At the airport, it's 45, feeling like 42. Slidell is 37, feeling like 33. Gulfport 45, feeling like 42. So it feels cold out, right? The weather is changing. We've got rain and storms moving in tomorrow afternoon, about 3 o'clock till 7 o'clock. It's not going to rain the whole time during that time period. Line of rain moving from the west to the east, and then mostly cloudy and cold for your Saturday. Saturday's not looking pretty, but at least it doesn't look like rain. And then rain and storms return on Monday. Severe risk, locally heavy rain, wind. Meteorologist Devin Lucy will have that coming up. So here is a look at the rain that's moving to the east, impacting us tomorrow. Plus, notice that low developing to the southwest. That's going to be an impact as well, and the winds are going to be increasing. And you're going, what's that over in Hancock County? Coastal flood advisory. With that persistent wind, you're going to have some water being pushed on shore. So tomorrow, locally heavy rain is possible. Now models saying, you know, you could get 1 inch to possibly 2 inches. Not everybody gets that much, but there is that risk. Also, you could have an isolated strong storm. Bigger concern is locally heavy rain, some gusty winds, perhaps along the coast, an isolated tornado. So we look at tomorrow morning, we're looking fine, right? Here we are noontime, upper 60s, no problems. It's in the afternoon, 3 o'clock. That rain is moving in, and it's getting heavy at times. 4 o'clock, look up here, 5 o'clock on the North Shore, 6 o'clock South Mississippi, 7 o'clock moving east and moving out. So here we are, midnight. That's when the high temperature occurs for Saturday, and then it's going down in the morning. It is cold, and then look, in the afternoon, your temperatures only in the low 50s. So for all of those events, going out to buy that king cake, yeah, it's going to be kind of chilly. The next big story is what is happening Monday. Here is meteorologist Devin Lucy.
Margaret tweeted this out a little while ago. It's a setup I hadn't seen going back to the Expressway, West Bank Expressway tornado that was 2 years ago, going back to 2022. What we see coming out of Sunday, unfortunately, is a very strong storm developing, and quickly does it get its act together. We get into what we call the warm sector. That's south of the warm front, that red line with the bulbs there, and ahead of that cold front, the blue line. Very warm and humid air. In the center of the storms, both up in the air and here at ground, will be close enough to us to provide a lot of oomph and energy. We're already under that risk of severe weather, which you just showed here, Margaret. And that outlook issued from the Storm Prediction Center was actually 2 days ago. And when it's this far out, it should be taken really seriously. All the factors coming in right now, a lot of energy in the atmosphere. It will be warm. It will be humid. Strong winds could be southeast 20 to 30, and the right winds to provide some spin for the storms that occur. And then we also have an added bonus, or what we don't want, with a pocket of strong winds driving through, which adds even more lift to the atmosphere, and we're right centered in that zone of all those conditions favorable for strong, potentially severe storms. Oh, right, we already have a risk for flooding, too. Very heavy rain. 3 inches of rain, widespread or possible. So we're under a level 2 out of 4 risk for possible flooding, locally heavy rain. Take a look at this forecast, 2, 3, 4 inches of rain. This is why we've got a weather impact day right now, but every potential, if a greater tornado risk occurs, it goes to a weather alert day. We'll keep you informed. WDSU First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Weather impact tomorrow for the afternoon storms. The weekend should be okay. Watch the midnight high Saturday, and we'll keep you advised for Monday night.